In this video, I'll show you how to go live on Telegram using the built-in live stream feature. Before we start, make sure you are using the latest version of the Telegram app because live streaming is only available in newer versions. To start a live stream, we begin by creating a Telegram story. Once you open the story creation screen, look at the options at the bottom and select the live option. After selecting live, tap on the large button that says Start Live Stream. This will take you to the next screen where you can choose your audience. You will see several options: everyone, my contacts, close friends, and selected users. I chose close friends, but you should select the option that best matches who you want to see your live stream. After choosing the audience, you can adjust additional settings. Here you can turn comments on or off, and you can also enable or disable screenshots. In this example, I turned off screenshots but left comments enabled. At the very bottom, there is an option called Price per Comment. This allows you to set a fee that viewers must pay to post a comment during your live stream. This can be useful if you want to limit spam or monetize interactions. You can leave this off or set a price, depending on your preference. Once everything is set, simply tap the blue Start Live Stream button. Your live stream will start immediately, and you are now live on Telegram. During the live stream, you can mute or unmute your microphone by tapping the microphone icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Additional options are available by tapping the three dots in the top right corner. From there, you can access more settings or end the stream. When you're finished, tap End Live Stream to stop broadcasting. That's all it takes to go live on Telegram. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.